Hi, I'm Jim Ballard, owner of Window World of Phoenix. I'm introducing you to our 3000 series window. Our 3000 series window will come in a single slide, a single hung. It is also available in picture windows as well as all geometrically shaped windows as well. The 3000 series window comes standard with a sliding screen, easily to clean your glass, and it also will lift out for easy cleaning of the screen material. The screen also has finger grooves that makes it easier to slide backwards and forth from the interior, and it has a bulb seal or a weather stripping seal here that keeps out the bugs where the screen meets the frame. This window has full welded framework as well as sashes, has a finger grip here for easily sliding backwards and forth. This window has features that is exclusively to Window World. It has a flush mounted lock that you cannot see from the exterior. If you're on the inside of your home and you see red dots on the 3000 series window, that means your window is not locked. Also in this window, it will not open in a closed position. There is a block applied into the frame. You can slide the window open and you're able to open the window as well. On the meeting rails, you have a bulb seal in the 3000 series along with weather stripping in the product that gives you a better seal and they interlock into finger grooves on each product. Typically on a normal window, you will have either weather stripping, single weather stripping, either on the inside or the outside of the sash. This window has triple weather stripping inside, outside of the sash, and in the frame as well. This window has the best air infiltration rating of any window on the market. It also has tandem rollers again for sliding. On the 3000 series window, you have 3 grid options. You have a flat, a colonial, and a 1-inch colonial grid. These are all grids between the glass. That way there's no cleaning on the grid products themselves. On the colors, this window offers actually multi-color options. You have white, almond, desert clay. You can have architectural bronze on top of either white or almond. You can have silver exterior with white interior. You can also have black exterior with white interior. All these 3 painted colors come with a 10-year manufacturer warranty on the exterior of the product. For glass options on this product, all glass comes double strength glass. You can also get Solar Zone Elite glass. Solar Zone Elite is our new low E glass with argon filled. It will get you a 0.21 solar heat gain coefficient, and our Solar Zone Sunshield glass, the most efficient glass under the sun, will get you a 0.14.